Mr. Donald, please come.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Yeah.
What's going on?
I wanted to go and see Ada inside, but the nurse told me that the MD said only 2 trees allowed into the ward. Yeah. So I decided to continue sweeping so that we can continue the counterbalancing.
No. We are across this now. You don't have to do this.
Please, you have to help me beg the MD. I was arrested by the police, and that's why I've not come all this while. I was arrested for a crime I did not commit.
That's what I'm saying. Ada has been discharged for over 7 days. You don't get it.
Oh, the MD forfeited the bills?
No.
What happened?
Somebody came and cleared the bills.
Somebody came and cleared the bills?
Yeah. You can go now.
Somebody cleared the bills? How come? What? And Ada has not come to my house for 7 days?
Tell me the truth. Is she not very is she not blonde?
Adam, go and show us your husband.
That is
That
my house. That is my normal my overall investment. Hey. And I intend to invest more.
What a woman.
If lock up or the plumb. Or what the plumb. Or the very plumb. I go am eye for good things. It will eat money. How you go call them?
Ada? What's going on?
I'm not gonna go on. Go and drink and give your husband. Do the needful.
Very, very correct. Very, very correct.
Wait, I don't understand. Is it what I'm thinking? Ada, please don't do this. Ada, Bikono, remember what I went through for you. Remember what I did for you, Bikono.
I would never forget this. You have shown me kindness. It shows that it is God who brought us together. Our children will hear about this. Nothing can separate us.
I just left the hospital when they told me you had left. I was at the police station yesterday. What's going on?
I'm sorry.
So, wait a minute, everybody. Please, let us have a moment of a bit silence so I can really understand what is going on. Because I'm getting confused. Adam, who is this young man and what rubbish is he talking about? Because I don't know what is really going on. Who is he?
He's a friend.
Oh,
a friend?
Okay, know why I'm talking. He said he's a friend. Huh? Okay, we will still continue. In respect of the interruption, let me talk to my baby. You should learn how to make very good friends, not arrogant friends. You know you're a very beautiful girl that have a beautiful job. Now you also want to have a very responsible and a beautiful man. So you to know the kind of friends you have. You know what to understand? Ndiche, let's continue. No,
Ada, keep for a friend. Ada, you call me just your friend. So I'm just a friend to you.
I'm sorry.
After all I did for you, Ada.
I'm sorry.
Eh? Remember my suffering at the hospital day and night for your sake. Okay, Adabiko, please. Okay, listen to me. Let me speak with you in private. If there's something I've done wrong, tell me. I will ask for forgiveness. Don't do this. I'm my Biko, Ada.
This is really getting me angry. Eh? If this guy is not very stupid, then this guy must be senseless at the same time. For not to know that we are doing something very important here. Yes. And then you have the guts, you have the audacity, to look at my woman and tell my woman you want to see her private. When you came able to say you want to see her private.
I was not talking to you, sir.
That is it, because you are very stupid. You are very stupid. Looking at me. Ike go. Ike the strength of money. And you are telling my wife you want to see her private.
Oga, I said I was not talking to you. I was talking to my love.
Hello? Please, are you people, my in-law, are you people really mad people in this village? Because this man must be a flesh mad man. This man must be a flesh mad man that is madness to just start aggravating.
My in-law! You are too clean to get into dirty now.
No, let me call the police now. Let them arrest him. You know what understand?
Father, there is no need.
You know what understand? Let me arrest this idiot.
Come on down, my in-law. Today is your day. So don't listen to this useless eflefu, this jobless man. I do go. You can never give your husband palm wine also.
Mama, what did you say? Did you just call me jobless?
Do you have a job? Do you have a job?
Oh, you've forgotten so easily.
Mokem, shut up. Mokem, shut up. Shut up, because your madness is very flesh. And I don't want to involve the psychiatric on this matter. Because you see in this very phone, all the contact of the head officers are here. If I put a call across now. I am talking, you are talking. Onyekebo. As a matter of fact, who is this riffraff and who is his father?
Oga, please. Whatever you do, don't insult my father. Don't bring my family into this, Makachuku.
You see what I said?
You can insult me. You can say anything you want to say to me, but don't bring my father into this matter. My
in-law, have you seen what I'm talking about? That this guy is a madman. He's just a common and uncivilized lectured man.
Exactly.
If you need money, you come to me. I just punch some little money to your account. Because if this man is not a riffraff and is not a madman, will this man come here and stand here and talk nonsense before me? I want to know if your father is in the same capacity, in the same category with me. If your father have the level and the morale to talk to me. Do you know who I am?
Did you hear English?
I am talking on Asu Glamour here. Do you speak glamour more than me?
Adabiko, what's going on? What exactly is going on?
Well, you see, I thought you are only stupid and jobless. But since you have also gone blind, let me announce to you that my beautiful daughter is about to get married to her illustrious husband. That is what is happening.
A very prosperous man.
Oh.
That have prospects.
Ada, is it true? Ada, you're about to get married to somebody else. No, look me in the eyes and say it. Look me in the eyes and say it. Ada.
What is really going on? Hold on. Hold a minute.
Ada, don't do this. If you do this, God.
Mr. Man, did you really touch my woman? Did you really touch my woman? I am respecting you people. I will bust this guy's head. I will use the bottle, but I don't want to call the police for this guy because it's very little to me. What is very little for me to handle? My friend, don't get flashed.
You are a murderer. You see, you are a criminal. You are a murderer. If you talk hey, you see? It's a mother that you want to marry. Hey! You have killed somebody in my house. Murderer!
Let's take you to the hospital.
And the boy one hospital. He's not dead now. Okay? Unless you say let's go to the mortuary.
You have killed him.
Okay?
You need to come home. To go home. What is the problem? He's done out. What about him? What happened? Mama, the police are trying to arrest him. Arrest him for what? They said he fought with someone. They are tracking with him. They are even beating him, Mama. Mama, do you want your own? Why you? Arrest him for police station for what?
Mr. Man, move it.
I did not touch him. I did not touch him.
Don't waste our time.
Yes, sir.
When we get to the station, you will explain better. Move it.
Yeah. Keep on moving.
Fast.
Keep on moving.
They have taken my grandson away. Let's go and look for them. This boy has suffered so much since he was born. Donald never experienced joy. He never experienced peace for a full year. I don't know where that curse is coming from.
Mama, if Adugo's mother did not marry her off to another man, this wouldn't have happened.
Tell me again, what really happened?
He was fighting with the man that came to marry Adugo, and the man collapsed.
I see. I told Donald that woman is a wicked woman. She is very, very wicked. I see nothing good coming out from that relationship. But Donald, my son, wouldn't listen to me. What is all this? Oh, God, please help me. Oh. Please help me to save my son. Oh. This is too much for us to handle. Oh. It is too much for me to handle. God, help me. Oh.
It's okay. God will do something about it. It's okay. Mama, it's okay. Please don't cry, please. Oh, that woman is wicked.
Onye, no anybody home? Nadugo. Onye. Oh, Amo. Good morning, Madu. Good morning, Ma. Good morning. Please, where is Adugo?
Adugo is not around. Adugo went to the city to clear her head.
I am sorry about what happened. How do I see her? I need to talk to her.
Say whatever you want to tell her. I can relate to her.
Okay. I want to see if she can take me to the family of the young man so I can beg them.
You want to go and beg them? You want to go and beg the family that are still bereaved? That have not gotten over the death of their son? Eh? You want to go and beg them? Come Jukenegi. Nene Dona. If it were your own son to be dead, and somebody comes to beg, will you take it? Will begging them bring their son back from the dead?
Nadug. Mama Adug. Remember all that my grandson did for your daughter. Remember? So we cannot sit here and allow my grandson go to jail. So I need to see the family and beg them. You cannot sit here and allow your grandson go to jail. But you sat in your house and allowed your grandson to kill somebody's son. Look, Nene Dona, as it is now, I'm lawyer. Police. I am not police. I am not lawyer. As we speak, the matter is already in the court. So there's nothing you and I can do about it. My hands are tied. Okay. Can I talk to Adugo?
Hey. Nene Dona. Nene Dona. I am giving you respect, oh. Oh, people can acquire it here. Makarandi was in a if not for the respect I have for you, if it were to be a young woman like me, by now, I would have dealt with the person so much that she won't even see, she won't even have the mouth to talk to me. Look at, after everything your grandson did here, after everything your grandson did in my house, he came here with his wicked and heartless heart. Your grandson came here and ruined everything I and my daughter have labored for. And you are here telling me you want to go and beg. If it were your grandson that was lying dead, would you be here begging me? Nene Dona, Nene Dona, Nene Dona, Biko Bao. After you sent your grandson to come and commit murder in my house, you people plan to put me in trouble. This is what you have been scheming for. All of you that have been persecuting me because I don't have a son. You now have a son, have a grandson. You now came to intimidate me. And where? It will not work for all of you. It will not work on all of you. You want to talk to Adugo? When did Adugo become your best friend? Talking to Adugo, my foot. No. Always looking for my trouble.
I have been calling you since yesterday.
Yes, Mama. What is the problem?
Donald was arrested by the police.
What did he do?
Someone was trying to hit him with a stick. So in the process of defending himself, he pushed the man and he collapsed.
He collapsed? The police arrested him because he pushed someone and the person collapsed?
They later said that the man died.
But let me ask you, Mama. Is that the reason you invited me to this village?
I want us to go to those people and see the family of the man and beg them. See, I'm sorry.
Oh, we go there and beg them and tell them sorry. Mama, this is a murder case. This is a murder case. You see, Donald, I've advised him to stay with his master, but he will not listen. Okay, look at where he has landed this family now.
But how can he serve Ozemena for 9 years? And you think he will be happy? But you yourself, you should have done something about it.
Okay, Mama, tell me, what do you want me to do? Wagodim.
Buto, let us not dig into that for now. My problem is, I want you to get a lawyer for your son.
What will a lawyer do?
A lawyer can make his sentencing shorter.
Mama, that is not why I'm here. I heard that Donald sold my land. Did you hear about that?
No, I did not hear. Never.
Mama, you did not hear?
I did not hear.
This will be the first and last you will invite me to this village. Iku no agwugom.
Ibu mkpi.
Ihe obula I like it, mom.
Ibu mkpi. Fo! Ibu onye nsuzu. Efu opara iberibe. Nkalu. Look at him. Big head for nothing. Big head, no brain. Look at you. Efu. Your own son. Go to the police station. Get a lawyer to bring him out. You are talking of land. Land. That means land. Is he Donald, my grandson, ma? Hey. Why is this man heartless? I cease to be your mother from today. Why is he heartless? Donald, my grandson. Hi. How do I go about this? How do I get him out from the police station now? Oh, Donald, how do I get you out now from this police station now? Oh, will help me?
What are you looking for? Ike, what are you looking for in my office?
Did you remove any documents here?
Why do you like answering question with question? I said, what are you looking for?
Now listen, let me tell you. If you look at me very well, you will see that I don't have time for rubbish. I don't have that time to begin to talk to Ndiatolocha. And I want to understand. Now, very quickly, I want you to give it to me.
You cannot have it.
Also?
It's not possible. Ike, what is wrong with you? Huh? You sold the bottling company, the poultry farm, the mechanic workshop. Now you want this one?
Hey. Well, if you look at this very company, you understand that you don't even really know your place in this very company. No, you are counting it one after the other for me. Onyekebo, tell me, who are you to question my order? I am the very manager in this place. And I control every affair of everything running in this very office. In fact, in this company, as far as this company is concerned, it is my uncle's company. I don't know where you came out from. In fact, as a matter of fact, I don't even know where you emanated from. You come here and be asking me nonsense question. Who the hell are you in this very office? Listen, I have taken it Obajugodoro here. It has gotten to this place. Don't push me. Don't let me vomit it. Because you will not like what it will take. And I want to understand now.
Okay. Read my lips. You cannot have it. The auditor is around. He's in the conference office. And he wants to talk to us. We have a lot to discuss. So let's go.
Anyway, it's very obvious that if either you don't have sense or you don't even understand the gravity of what I'm looking for. I don't have time, but what I want to tell you is that maybe I will bring you down before you bring me down. That is if only you can do it. Because you don't know who I am.
Don't even try it with me. Don't threaten me, Ike. Because if you do, I will bring you down with boss's thoughts. Just give me 2 days, you'll be down. Ike, I am not happy with you. Now let's go and have a meeting with the auditor.
It is what they call mbono. And I want to understand. Mbono.
Because they say women used to run their mouth like a tap. Uba apaka, that is what you are.
You can last warning.
You are talking rubbish.
I give you 60 days to vacate Oga's house. 60 days! What's going on? What does this guy want to achieve? He just wants to diminish this man's how many years of suffering and building?
Mama, what are you doing here?
I am here to see my grandson. And one of your colleagues said I should wait. I have been waiting for hours now.
You would have gone to court. He was taken to court since morning.
What? Court? Nobody told me.
Well, what I heard, he has been taken to prison. He's lucky he has been sentenced to just 5 years imprisonment.
Hell! Hell, Chim! Oh! Oh, Donade! Aye! God, oh! Hey! This boy has always been on the wrong side of the time of life. Why? Aye! Chukwabiyama onye dumaga prison 5 years. Donald, my grandson, sentenced to jail for 5 years. Onye Bamaga. Hey, Abba man, see Onye Dumagija, Onye Dumaga. Hey, who will follow me on? And we want your mother. Hey!
Hello? Yes, I can hear you now very well. Yes. Lily, he has been sentenced to 5 years imprisonment. That is very nice. Yeah, I like you. You know how to do very good work. Okay. Yeah, so that guy is an idiot. He's a fool. Don't worry. But don't worry. I am already in disguise. Yes, disguise is my name.
Okay, what is your problem?
Oh, excuse me.
How can you walk out in an important meeting like that without permission?
Yeah, Akolocha, don't you have eyes? If alone I'm on a very emergency call, that I had an emergency call, I have to come and answer call.
Okay, courtesy demands that you take permission before leaving the meeting.
Lily, no, you are not the person to tell me courtesy. No, you teach courtesy.
You're so arrogant. Please join us in a meeting, it's important.
If look at somebody who is telling person arrogant while you are very, very much arrogant. Your arrogance is even in your bum. You're carrying big bum, moving around the office, very arrogant idiot. Now, Wanya. Excuse me, please. I have one idiot that interrupted our discussion. As I was talking, please. It's not a problem. Yes. Let him suffer in the prison. 5 years is good for him. Like I said, I will send you your balance. I am really on disguise. Ogafuanya, you will suffer there. Yes, after 5 years, if he comes out, the case will die. I will use money and match it so Zodoyo dies. Yes, he's a very arrogant person. He deserves more punishment. Thank you very much. Okay, no problem. I will send you the money. I will send you the balance. I say people take me for granted. They don't know what I can do. After teaching him a lesson, this girl is giving me problem. This girl is giving me problem.
What is it? Ego, I am finished. I am finished. What happened? My only grandson has been sent to prison Ulambara for 5 good years.
Prison? Prison for what? What did you do?
I heard that the young man that was coming to ask Agdugo's hand in marriage, he fought him. But
I thought they said they flew him abroad for treatment.
I heard he died on the way. He died on the way.
Hey, I'm so sorry this is happening. I'm so sorry, Mama.
Don't add my only grandson at my age. My son that will come, he will be removing gray hair from my head. He said, Grandma, let me remove your gray hair.
Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay. It's okay.
Sentenced to prison 5 years.
Mama, stop crying, please, Mama.
Why all this? Okay. Why all this happening to me? Why? Where can I find that girl Adugo? Where will I see her?
Mama, I've not seen her since this incident happened though. She has not even been taking my calls. I went to her house and her mother said she went to the city to clear her head. I don't even know where to see her. It's okay, Mama, stop. It's okay. It's okay. Mama, let me take you home. It's okay, stand up. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey! I will come and see you. Owaka. I will come and see you. It's okay. Why don't you understand? Adugo never told me Ike is dead. How?
Adugo, but you see, you should be thanking me. I'm the one that worked all these things for you. If not by now, you would have been suffering in the hands of that poor, wretched, jobless boy. Yeah? His house is fine. Hey, I knew it. That's the kind of house. That's the kind of house I've always wanted for you. Oh.
Mama, good day.
Hey, let me call you back.
Mama, good day.
There you go.
Ma?
There
Odinma. Mama, I was wondering if you could help me with Adugo's number. I want to call her and talk to her about something.
About what? Tell me. I will call and tell her. I am her phone for now. When you told me, I will connect to her.
Okay. Mama, I heard that Donald has been sentenced to 5 years imprisonment. And I was wondering how? Why?
How what?
Mama, I'm sorry. It's just that nobody heard about Ike's death.
Nobody heard about Ike's death. How?
Nobody heard about his death.
Ego, do you now work in the mortuary? Do you now work in the mortuary? Nobody heard. Who is supposed to hear? Who is supposed to hear? Who is the nobody? Who is the somebody that's supposed to hear before it will be confirmed? Okay, this is what you do. You go about gossiping about people's problem as if it was Urugi. So you must hear.
Mama.
You this jobless girl, I don't even know how you became my daughter's friend.
Mama, if he actually died, Adugo should have told me. Is she not my friend?
Hey, Ego. You know, up till now, I never knew you are this wicked. I never knew you are this wicked. A man, a handsome, well-to-do young man,
He was murdered right here in cold blood by that stupid, jobless, half-done bread. That Atrosha. Inoreba, you are here asking me questions. In fact, you are here interrogating me.
Mama, I am sorry. I'm not interrogating you. It's just that I need to clear my head of this confusion. A lot are happening at the same time. Okay, first, Adugo disappeared and stopped taking my calls and...
And what? And again, and what? Why wouldn't you be confused? You have always been a confused person. Yes! Your life is full of confusion. Look at how you and that stupid boy ruined my daughter's dream. My daughter's ambition. My daughter's expectation. That young man wanted to take her to America to go and practice her nursing. But you and that useless boy ruined everything. Look, Ego, you are very lucky I woke up from my right side. If not, If not, in fact, if you don't leave this place now, Ego, if you don't leave this place now, I'll just kill you. Get out of this.
Bye-bye.
People don't know how angry I am. I can kill you and bury you here. Nobody will know. Your job. Useless people.
I wish I could turn back the hands of time. Ego warned me. My grandmother warned me to stay away from them. But I was blinded by love. I wish I could just wake up and all this is a dream. That was what we all wished when we got here. I was only trying to defend myself. I did not mean to hurt him, let alone murder him.
Yours was physical contact. But for me, I'm here for a crime I know nothing about. Sometimes I feel like that's something my whole body. The world is wicked.
Only if my master had settled me, I would not be here. I served that man for good 9 years. 9 years I toiled and made sure that he was rich. On the 10th year, when he was supposed to settle me, my master asked me to leave without a penny. Not even a dime to my name. He knows, obviously, that there's nobody that will fight for me. Nobody to ask him question. I'm sure that's why he did what he did.
The moment I set my eyes on you, I knew we have something in common. Same story. I served my master in Zaria for 15 days. But he sent me away. So I had to struggle. And struggle. become rich the way I am.
What about your children? Where are they?
I don't have a single child.
Oh my God.
My wife died during childbirth. And my baby that was in the incubator died 2 days after.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Oh. So, it's just me. I have to try. It's just me. It's just me.
I'm so sorry to hear about that. I'm sorry. But what brought you here in the first place? What was your crime?
Trust. Wholehearted trust. I can even trust a fool, a goat. Trust for me. Oh.
Anita, what's the problem?
Boss, my brother sent me out of the house.
Why?
Because I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant.
Yes, sir.
So why don't you go meet the man that got you pregnant?
No, sir, I can't. He's a married man.
A married man? Weren't you aware that he was married? Then in that case, you go face your responsibility.
Boss, please, I beg you. Can I stay in your house? Please.
You know that's not possible.
Sir, please. Once you pay me for the month, I'll go away and I'll rent it and I will not disturb you again, please.
I don't want to have anything to do with any woman, no matter who she is. Alright, go get a house and I'll give you some money to settle it.
Please, sir. Can I pass the night here?
Anita, you are asking for too much.
Sir, please. I beg you. My brother is down the street. And if I get to him, if he sees me, sir, he will kill me. Please. I beg you, please, just grant me this favor, please.
Leave my legs alone.
Sure, sir.
Get up. You will use one of my guest rooms. But make sure you leave first thing tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. You're a very kind man. Sir, you're a very nice man. Hey! Sir, you're a very good man.
Anita, why are you lying in the car? Anita! Get up! I said get up! What's this? This is serious. This is serious. Doctor, please, yes, there's an emergency in my house right away.
Yes. Please come. Please come. Please. Anita, will you stop this? Serious. Doctor, you're not talking. What? Talk to me.
Chief, she's dead.
Doctor, no now. She can't be dead. No, she just can't be dead. What could be the cause?
I think she was poisoned.
Poisoned? No, she didn't eat in my house last night. She did not eat in this house. That I'm very sure. She didn't eat in my house.
That means she might have eaten it somewhere before coming to this house.
What kind of problem is this now? What kind of problem is this now? She was insisting she wanted to sleep in my house. I didn't know, and I was saying no, and I was saying no. I was saying no.
What we need to do is, since you said she did not eat anything here, we need autopsy to ascertain the cause of her death.
Doctor, please do. Yes. Please do. I just came down this morning and I just saw her on the floor. And I just saw her on the floor. I don't know what happened to her.
Let me call the ambulance.
And just when we try in court, I found myself here. Still like a dream to me. Still like a dream to me.
I am really sorry to hear about that. But maybe God is keeping you here because He wants you to avoid a bigger danger.
That's true. But we live in a wicked world. And every problems that we face are man-made, and we keep saying God knows the best.
Yes, you have a point.
This is where I find solace in this crazy world. I have attempted suicide, but it failed.
So look, listen to me, sir. You don't have to kill yourself. And you don't also have to do drugs. It's dangerous to your health.
What do I need health for? What do I live for? No wife, no child, nothing. If I die, I die.
No. I am not going to let you die. Not on my watch. Please, don't do this to yourself, okay? No, give me that.
Just this once. Don't do this.
Everything will be fine.
I know. Just, okay, just a little bit.
You just need to have hope. Hope. And faith.
Hope is only good for breakfast.
I told you I needed some money since yesterday. And you're just coming now.
Is that the reason you're nagging? You know I don't like when people nag so much.
Did you say I'm nagging? Ike Chukwu, did you say that I am nagging? How would you feel if you were in my shoes? How would you feel if you're left in this place for a long time? Tell me, how would you feel?
I will really not feel anyhow. Listen, let me tell you something. If you really need a man, you tell me, let me look.
Oh, please shut it! You're talking nonsense. Where are all the things you promised me before we began this deal? No money, no visa, no trip. Ogini, are you not tired?
Listen, these are the problem I have when you people nag. When you forget you are nagging for Ikego, the strength of money. I have told you that I am working out on something. I am very soon I'm working something. I'll do it easy. If it's easy, the whole of your village would have traveled since. But I know what I want to do to make sure you are the first person to have a blood visa, Canada visa. He cannot appreciate it. You are shouting at a man. Be patient, too.
I cannot be patient. Ogini, every time be patient. I have refused to be patient. Now, after my brought patience, please give me what you promised and let me leave this place. Ogini.
Okay, you don't want to be patient. You want to be violent. One patience is over. Take. This is money. Like I said, if you need a man, don't use shame. Tell me you need a man, I get you a guy. I will pay for the hotel bill. Hotel bill is not a problem. So you will relax.
My friend, take this rubbish. Take this rubbish and come and send me out of this place. Can you keep promising? Where is the Canada? Even if it's Ghana or Togo, take me, let me leave this place. I want to leave this place. Ogini, I want to leave this place. I'm tired. I want to leave. Oh, God.
For some time now, you have not been talking about our wedding plans. And I am wondering why. Why?
Well, you know I've always told you to chill. Huh? Chill, I am preparing something. I am actually making a very serious arrangement because the way things is going recently, I don't know if we are going to do this wedding in London or Paris because country are just safe.
Eh?
Yes. You like it?
I love it.
I know you like it. Why would you like it? You look about the travel.
Paris.
Everybody wants to go to Paris. Life is good in Paris. Go to Paris. Oh.
How long are you going to keep wearing this?
I noticed even last night. I know it was disturbing you. Even when I wanted to kiss you. I will, for the now, I will have to be managing it because those people I told you that's after my life, I don't know how long they will keep tracing. And so I have to disguise myself for now. Yeah. You know, the English people used to say to be forewarned is to be forearmed.
I have an idea. As part of security measure, what if you change your cars so that they cannot recognize or trace you?
You see, why I'm a lady is because you're very, very intelligent. Look at how your brain just pick it chap. The white men, the English people used to call it medulla oblongata.
Medulla oblongata.
Well, yeah. Your medulla oblongata, just to pick it up. So, I have actually thought of all those things and I've done it by changing the plate number and also covering some of the cars with a black government black official.
Okay.
So, you know all these armed robbers in the area, they are very sharp, but their sharp is not as intelligent as my wife's code. First of all, they trace somebody through plate number, so I have to rush and change.
Oh.
Yes.
That's a good idea.
And even as a matter of fact, I didn't stop at that though. I also relocated the office. It's no longer where you used to know. And I want to understand. I have to relocate it to police headquarters, where the police will be looking at me. Well, it's only money that it will chop. So if they make a mistake to close, the police are one hakanchi. They shoot their blade off.
Okay.
Because enough of the talking. The tummy is talking. So I need to eat. I'm famished.
Food is on fire.
Yeah, don't give food is on fire.
It will soon be ready.
Please. Yeah, no, I'm going to have one case making noise. The worm is talking.
Let me check.
What are you cooking?
It's a surprise.
You can be always surprise me. Surprise, you can't give me the toilet. You know, I'm not fry. I'm not fry. I'm not no vegetable. I'll be in your work.
My friend Diallo is doing so well in his rally. Once he wins, I'm out of this place.
Boss. There you go again, trusting people. A politician for that matter. How can you put your trust in a politician? Nah, you should know better, boss.
But I gave him 1 billion naira in his last election.
You serious?
Yes. He lost because he wouldn't party with the election. But now he's favored to win the election because his opponent has a bad record. Not good pedigree this time. Yes.
Well, me, I know nothing about politics, but I pray he wins so that you can leave this place and go and enjoy your money. Boss.
I'm already visualizing it.
I know, right?
I'm seeing myself out of this place. And immediately I'm out of this place. Of course you are here too. You can't be here while I'm out.
Are you serious, boss? Boss, look, if you do this for me, I will forever in my entire life be grateful to you.
Mama, what is it? Hello. Huh? Is that you? Yes. Mama, your body is so hot. My head is on fire. My eyes have been turning me since protest now. I can't see properly with them. Have you taken any drugs? My course is finished. I called my son on phone to come and take me to the hospital, but he hasn't come. No, that's not the problem, eh? Let me go and buy drugs for you. Oh, it's okay. She came. Oh.
I'm going out.
You're going to where exactly?
Salon. I want to make my hair and do my nails.
And why are you going out to do that, if I may ask? Because it's very obvious that the person making the hair can come to the house and do a home service. After all, it will only eat money.
Wait. Am I now a prisoner in my husband's house? I don't understand. Why can't I go to the salon?
Wait a minute. No, hold it very dear. Did you... Did you actually say that to me? No. Did you refer that very word back at me? Cholo. So, Adugo, it has gotten to the very point where I will say a word and you will throw the word back at me. Eh? Odemma, there is no problem. Adugo, please, respect yourself and go back upstairs and sit your ass there. And sit your ass wildly and quietly. You know what? Understand?
What is really going on? Why are you... I don't understand you. I am bored. And when I am bored, it makes me angry.
Oh, see, you are what? Can't tell me you are bored. If you are bored, you kill a television. Eh? You kill a television. If you cannot kill a television, you play a game. How can you be bored in this house? A whole lot, everything is okay. Eh? He kill television, he cannot play game. He kill television, even kill television, he see for something. Can do big man wife, they used to sit drink. Awesome, you are bored. I am in a very big business discussion with the client. Don't come and interrupt me again. Can't keep you bored. Tell these people to come and do the home service here. We'll pay money. You want to go. Also, now, a man's property will become another person's own. All these boys that their eyes used to sharp, they will not know how I suffer to get this material.
This thing you're doing is not fair. It's not fair and I don't like it at all. I don't like it.
Very correct. You are very, why I love you is that you are very, very intelligent. It is not fair because Moke Dioji. It is not fair because he's black. Not the very black. He name and your man had them black. Or say I am bored. If a man does not have money now, they will say the man is not hustling. He is not trying. And I've been trying. Go back and kill television.
Mama, how are you today? God. My headache has subsided. But my eyes are still closing. I can't see anything. Mama, you'll be fine. Oh? I will be fine. Yes. How can I be fine without the eye surgery? How? My son has been promising me for 2 good years now that he will take me to Kaduna State, where they have one of the eye surgery hospitals. That he will take me there for the eye surgery. Eh?
I don't even know why he's not serious with your condition. Why is he taking it for granted? Why?
I trained him in school. I gave him money to start up a business. I did him no wrong.
I don't even understand it. Eh? Those without mothers cry every day. And those their mothers are still with them, they don't even value them. Why is it like that?
My son is the cause of all this. I begged him not to let Ozemena take Donald away. I told him, I begged him, but he refused. All his mates that went to serve, they all built houses, got him married with children. But he went to Ozemena. Ozemena sent him back home without giving him a dime. Kobo Shishianine, he didn't come back home with.
It's okay. Donald will surely come back home.
Donald will surely come back one day. Yes. When? When? Is it when he is old or when I am dead?
Mama, you will not die.
Nkamri awondo. Adamondo. Adendo hamokamma. A walking corpse.
No.
Eh?
No, Mama.
Dry bone.
Ma, it's okay. It's okay.
If Donald had listened to me. I am not comfortable with your friendship with that girl. I am not. It's few days you barely returned. She's all over you. Organi.
Mama, you've told me to be careful, and I am careful now.
It's not about being careful. I don't even think you need a woman in your life for now. You don't need her. You don't need her until you are settled.
Mama, you calling me a small boy?
You are old enough. But problem will always come when you are not financially stable. That is my point.
I understand you. And I would do as you have said.
Imagine you get her pregnant. How would you take care of the baby and the mother? It's an easy one which I can be. I won't want her to shishi. I didn't ask. And again, her mother is not a good woman. They do not have good reputation in their family. They are not good people. I wouldn't then have a law. I won't have work. Don't put me into trouble. Please, my son. Please. I saw this coming. I saw it coming.
My worry now is how to get money for your eye surgery.
Hey, Godi, can you take me to the prison so I can see Donald, my grandson, before I go blind, please?
Mama, you will not go blind.
Can you take me to the prison?
Okay, that will be on Tuesday because I have a job interview on Monday.
All right, no problem. But don't disappoint me. I want to see him.
I will not disappoint you, Mama.
I want to see Donald.
Mama, you will see him. It's okay. Mama, it's okay. Okay?
Wadio Mimi. Wadio Mimi. Donald, Mama.
Chief, you need to walk on this our toilet. What's that? Chief, what are you doing? For what? Maybe I want to end it. You must don't do this to yourself. Come on. Why would you want to end your life like this? Think about it. You have just very little time to stay here, and you'll be gone. Everything I work for, they have sold it. Who told you that? They have sold everything I work for. Who told you? Okay. Even if you sold it, Chief, calm down. You can make this money back. Whatever it is, it's vanity, it's a thing of the world. Do you know who you are? Have you forgotten who you are? Your brand alone, if you leave this place, you can make much money again. It will put you back on track. I don't want any brand anymore. Let me go. Please, let me go. Please, I'm begging you. Don't do this to yourself. Let me go, please. Let me go. Let me go. Why did you do this to me? My life is gone. My life is close. If you do this to yourself, then what will you say about me? I don't even have any hope of leaving this place. You have just very little time. In a matter of months, you'll be gone. You will make this money back. I promise you. You will make it back. You don't understand. You are a household name. Okay? I promise you. When you leave this place, you will make more money than you ever made in your entire life. Please.
morning, ma.
Good morning.
I'm here for the interview, ma.
The interview was yesterday. Did you not get a mail from us?
Hey, I thought it says today.
It was yesterday. You have yourself to be blamed then.
Ma, please, is there any way you can try me? I am very, very hardworking, ma, please.
We are no longer hiring. But let's see if you can do a work of a marketer. Can you?
Yes, ma, I can. I can do it.
Okay, give your details to the front desk officer. In there.
Thank you, ma.
Onye, who is disturbing? Even up to this very time, you people cannot go and rest. Oh, go home. Oh, I'm coming, Biko. What can I do for you?
You!
What? Also, no.
So, what happened to you?
I know that, ma. He died in my village on the day of his marriage introduction.
What are you saying? Ike is not dead?
He's dead. And somebody is in prison because of his death. I can take you to his grandmother's house.
I think you need a therapist. And I'm sorry, we cannot employ your kind of person here. You may leave my office.
No, I'm very, very sound. I know what I'm saying. They said he died and they put someone in prison. I know what I'm saying. Ike is dead. That is what they said.
Leave my office, please. I'm never to come back again.
You don't believe me.
I said leave. That's a file.
Speaking.
Darling, I was worried about you.
No, Ada, what are you doing here?
I came to look for you, darling. This past your closing time from work, I've been calling you. You have not been picking your
No,
calls.
are you really serious?
I thought something happened to you.
No, you are very serious that you are looking for me as a little baby that they are carrying in his hand that doesn't know where his way home or something.
No, darling, that's not what I mean.
But did I not warn you that you should not leave the house without my permission? That is very, very bad, especially now that people are tending to kill me. That I have been watching my step and where I put my legs. I got to get that. Listen, you are flaunting my orders, so you are flaunting my orders. And I don't like when I give a very specific instruction and you be flaunting it.
Hey! Ada? Yes? Ike! So this is it? What? So both of you planned this? Hey!
Hey, listen, I don't know what you are talking about. And I've seen that in Abono Kobaka. You are balling your mouth, Kobaka. Boys, behind here. Come here.
What are you doing here?
Boys, come here. Bundle her.
For what?
Hey,
Hey!
bundle her. Bundle her. I wanted to bundle her because this girl in Abono Kobaka. I will deal with her.
Why is she here? Does she work
but before dealing with her, you have to. Oh yeah, let's go. Follow me.
Why is she here? Why are they bundling her away?
Mama, he does not allow me to go anywhere. He doesn't sleep on the same bed with me. I am practically living in that house like a slave. It's over 1 year. And he has since stopped talking about our wedding plans. Ima, all these rich men, they are Nigerian. They are very smart. And you follow them with wisdom. I'm sure one of the reasons is that he doesn't want people to start asking questions. Maybe that's why he's not talking about marriage plans again. What questions? Oh, I remember. I remember you're not aware. Of what? Donald is in prison. He was sentenced for killing Ike. Eh? Don't shout. Donald! Donald is in prison! Adungo, calm down. Don't let people hear your voice now. Donald is in prison and you didn't tell me this whole time? Hey. Why? Why would you do that to me? Hey. It's sheer wickedness on your part, Mama. Why would you? Why would you hide that information from me? Hey, calm down, Adungo. Lower your voice now. Are you ready to listen to me? Why did you hide it from me? Keep quiet now, let me tell you why. Number one reason is that Ike told me not to let you know. Hey! Number two, are you ready to listen to me? Number two is that, look at it now. Check here, eh? Don't you know that Donald being in the prison is even a blessing in disguise for you? Yes. If he was not in the prison by now, he would have been making trouble and being a distraction to your marriage. Now that Donald is in prison and I am married, am I enjoying my marriage? Mama, am I enjoying my marriage? All the promises Ike made to me were all in vain. Look, you see, now is the time for you to build your home. Yes, men are like hunters. Their own is to get the woman they want. When marriage starts, it's now the duty of the woman to build her home. Any marriage that succeeds has a tendency to fail. You have to build your home, oh. There's no perfect marriage, oh. Every man has a mumu button. This is the time for you to study your own husband's mumu button and know when to press it. The peace will reign. Adugo. Hey, this girl should not spoil things for me. Oh. This girl should not spoil things for me. Oh. Tell me the truth. Is Donald in prison? Is he?
And where is that coming from?
Please, answer the question. Is Donald in prison or not?
Answer the question as a teacher and almost school. Teacher and the student. Anyway, that was what I heard.
What you heard? What do you mean that was what you heard? Ike, how heartless can you be? Why did you lock up an innocent man? Why did you send an innocent man to prison for something he did not do? You know you are very much alive, yet he is imprisoned over your life. Why? Why?
Let me tell you, I don't know what you're talking about. And I also want you to know that I am not the reason.
Lies! My mother has told me everything.
She told me how you made her promise not to tell me.
Your mother told you that.
Why, Ike? It all makes sense now. I mean, this explains why I have been held in this house like a prisoner. It equally explains why you have this fake mustache on. You! Ike, you!
You have to also be very careful with the certain words you use. Don't forget I am still your husband, so learn to add some respect. Some little respect to the manner which you talk to me. And I want to understand. Talking about this Donald you're talking about, let me tell you, since you are very curious, you are curious about knowing the truth. The truth is that Mowa Ike is not the reason of him going to jail. So Jukwe is a government. Make your findings very well. They arrested him because he assaulted a police officer. And that was what landed him into jail. So how is it my business that he went and undo on Afuabu to go and stab a police officer? Because
oh, you think I am a child? You think I am a child that you can deceive with your lies? Not anymore, Ike. Not anymore.
Let me tell you, I am your husband. Now, so most of this English that you are using, that I don't understand the terms, most of the terms. But the age I use my Akonuchi to understand some big grammar that you're speaking. I am your husband, so put respect in what you say.
Don't worry. Ike, I will go and find out the truth by myself. You will see.
You will do what? Now let me promise you one thing. Forget the fact that you're shouting and you're opening your eye for me. You don't know me. The very moment you step out of this door, that you're going to ask no nonsense question. That day will be the end of you breathing in this life.
What did you say?
I am not mincing word. I can't mince word like cement. The very moment you step out of this door that you are going to ask any nonsense question about something that does not concern you, it might not only be that day, it is your death. If you think I am joking or I am blabbing, try it.
You are joking. You are certainly joking.
Money. When that time comes, you know who is joking and who is not.
What have I gotten myself into, Adugo? What have you done to myself?
I'm so happy for you, boss. You're a good boy. I learned so much from you. From you, I learned self-control. And above all, I was able to defeat addiction. I appreciate you. I'm glad I was able to impact positively in your life. I don't know when I'll be here, but I just pray that one day, someday, that our paths will cross again.
Yes. if you leave here before I come for you, make sure you reach out to me. Thank you, sir. Don't worry. Soon, in a very short time, we are here. All right, Tom.
Welcome back once again, boss.
Sorry, and thank you.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy for us all today. I'm stressed to go freshen up, sir.
No, take me straight to Governor Diala's lodge. I want to thank him for this gesture.
But, from the information I got, they were having meeting at Western Hotel. Should I take you straight to Western Hotel?
Straight to the lodge, please.
In that case, boss, I think it would be better for you to freshen up. Let me take you home to go freshen up, change to something better.
You look so bad. It's okay, you win.
Welcome, sir.
You have an appointment with us?
Who are you? And who employed you here?
Me.
You know, who is he?
CSO.
Sir, I just wanted you to see things yourself.
Who lives here?
Ike, your cousin and his wife lives here now.
Ike lives in my house with his wife.
Yes, sir.
How did he get the keys to the house? And by the way, sorry, why did you tell me this all this while?
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't just want to add to your worries. I know you'll be out one day to see things yourself.
Okay, now, brother.
Yeah, Oba. Oba Bieba. Come here. Who are those people that just came into this compound? See? I say, who are those people? Or see me, you say is what?
Okay, those people. Okay, now that auntie, when they speak big grammar. I come with one brother like that. The boy ask him, say, hey, you come. Hey, who employed you here?
So Sonia has come to this place again to be a monitoring spirit, to be monitoring me, without calling me on the phone that she's coming. There's no problem.
Okay. Now Sonia, you're not in
Come on, go back to your duty post. Monagena Bazin Katana is an interaction between Gateman and Oga. I don't even know the kind of name your parents name you, Oba. The Bani knows Oba something they chop. Who are sir?
Sir. Sir, please. Please, you need to take it easy. Please.
Oh, Sonia, did you say I should take it easy? You really mean I should take it easy? You know it's all your fault.
I'm sorry, sir. But I tried my best. I tried to stop him. But you know how your brother is, your cousin. He is so stubborn and arrogant.
So Ike can be this mean? Ike would do this to me? No, I'm going to deal with him. No, there is no... I will deal with him squarely. I will deal with him and he will never remember his name.
Please, sir. At this point, I feel you need to go freshen up and rest. Please, allow me to take you somewhere to freshen up and rest. We have a lot to talk about. There are still other things to talk about, and we can do that tomorrow, sir. Please.
You're right, there's so much to talk about.
Anita. Anita, is this you?
You're alive.
Yes. I'm alive. Just when I thought I've seen it all. Oh my goodness. Human beings are terrible.
Anita, why did you let me suffer for what I know nothing about?
I'm so sorry, Chief. Please, forgive me. I think I was hypnotized by Ike's promise for money and marriage. Please. I'm sorry.
Wasn't I good to you? Did I increase your salary after 1 year? Then why would you do a thing like this to me? Anita, why?
I am sorry, Chief. But I am willing to face the law just to make sure that Ike pays for everything he has done to you. Chief, he paid me to act dead so that you can go to jail. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Boss. Because at this point, permit me to deal with this woman. Please.
Please. Please don't kill me. Please.
Sonia, I think we still need her to tell us what we still want to know. Go.
What are you doing here, and why is your face looking like a cloud of rain that wants to drop?
I know you, and I know you'll be surprised to see me. Huh? You're a very wicked man. I'm telling you, you're a very wicked man. How will you send some boys to kill me? If not for my God, by now,
hey, listen to me. You don't talk to me like I'm your mate. Eh? Why would I send somebody to kill you when I've been trying to see how I can find where you are? Because I don't know where you eloped to. Eh? I can't look for somebody to kill a boy that is working for me. Did you smoke anything before coming? Why are you sounding like that?
That one, please. Okay, where's my sister?
Your sister?
Eh? Where's my sister?
You are very far. Your sister is in Canada now. Eh? Wait a minute. Has she not called you yet? Your sister has not communicated you.
When I call her, she didn't call me. Eh? She didn't call me. Okay, what about the money that you promised to give me after the job I did for you? Eh? What about the money?
You are really surprising me. Honestly, you are really putting me into surprise mode right now. Because I just said that your sister is in Canada. And the very money you're talking about, I paid into your sister's account. And I want to understand. No, you want to understand.
I can't believe this one. Eh? How do you expect me to believe you? After everything, I want me to believe you that you paid money into my sister's account.
Wow. Yeah? How can you, what is that your name again? How can you look at a Dumba like me and you think I am lying? Of course, I know you are not far from the Sinelo. You know the kind of thing I control here. So why will I be lying for a very little chicken change? Yeah? Are we talking about? How much are we talking? I did pay the money into her account. Eh? Call her and confirm. Why would I believe you? But call her. She will tell you. Communicate her.
I should call her. I should call her. You just said that none of Canada. She went to Canada. I should call her in Aluaja. How do I call her? Do I have her number?
Oh, that's very correct. That's true. Because even myself, we don't talk through phone. We talk through social media platform. So you can communicate with her through her social media.
Social media? Which social media platform? Can't get social media.
Hey, I have forgotten that you are not in the digital world. Oh, look at even the phone you are using. What I'm saying is communicate her in Facebook. It is through Facebook. You know that since she just arrived in the country, as a new person in the country, she has not settled down to get a new SIM card to start calling. But through her Facebook, you can talk to her. In our water. Stop doing your face like let me call these boys so you can relax very well. Hold on, wait a minute. Hold on. There is a call coming in. You know, this time around, we just sit down and do business call. Hello? Onye Kamkene. Who is on the line? Lily? That's okay. I will be in the office if that is the case. I will be in the office now. I am coming in a jiffy. You see me. You know, go. I'm coming. Okay. Now, I am going to the office. Come now, let me drop you up and look for something for you. Let's go. They call me this period is too much. Very good. Yeah, Atolocha Little, come down from that car. Because I have seen that you don't really know your position in this very place. Yeah, Atolocha, I want to know what gave you the mullah. What gave you the audacity to lock this very office? Why did you lock this office? Don't you know I'm going to be here?
You mean our own company?
Or say our own what? Our own what? I am talking about my uncle's office. It's our own company. Who are you in the family? Are you related to any of our family member? Or are you any member of our family? Or same our office? Okay, why did you lock here?
Order from above.
Yeah. Listen, if you look at me very well, you understand that I don't play with Umuaka. don't play with, especially a watcher like you. You are, don't vex me more than I'm vexing now. Don't vex me more than I'm vexing now. Yeah, open this place because I am the one in charge here. Almost everything that they are doing here, every authority should be coming to me personally. And I want to understand now.
Okay, I've told you why I locked the office.
Okay? Yeah. You want Obolo? Don't you have what they call Obolisi? Oh, I have seen that because you're covering this lead wig. This lead wig has covered even your own brain. The little brain you're supposed to use and help this your little ocha, you have used wig to cover it. Let me tell you, if you don't open this door, Kita now, I will break this door, and if I break this door, you will get it very hot from me. You get it very hot.
Okay, you have no right to break that door.
Really?
If you tamper with that door, I will get you arrested.
Mama, arrested?
Bet me. And mind you, okay, my boys are watching you. Don't try. Do not try nonsense.
Now you have got Ibobo. No, you have got Mullah. Ibobo, you've got Mullah to tell me that you arrest me. Okay, you think because you have been moving around with all these small DPOs, you feel you've gotten contact, okay? Yeah? No, you feel you've gotten level. Listen, open this place. I don't even have time to be bantering word with you because it is in the man I see that I'm very busy. I'm a very busy person. Ngwa, open here.
I cannot open it for you. And even if I open that door, you cannot get in there. If you try it, I mean it, I will get you arrested. Excuse me.
Yeah, did you really think I'm playing with you? Did you really think I'm playing with you? No, did you really think I am joking?
So last time
you are carrying kokoshu. You are carrying kokoshu. Or what in the blue?
What happened? What happened to you?
Don't ask me rubbish question. It's an accident. Can't you see that it's an accident? A very big accident.
How did this accident happen?
Don't touch it now. Don't touch it. Do you want to incur more paint on it? It's an accident. You are still asking me how did it happen? Did somebody used to know how accidents used to happen?
I'm asking because I am a nurse. If you tell me how it happened, I will know the nature of the injury and what we should do.
Can't you just shut up? Shut up. My head is pounding me. Get on. What is it now?
Why do you want me to shut up? Okay, I need to know what happened to you. What is this? Oh. No, hold on. What happened to you?
Ada? Yes? What is going on?
Wait.
No, Ada, what is the problem?
With what?
No, can you explain to me what is happening in my house?
I don't understand.
Mama?
No.
When did you come and what are you doing?
Oh, it's not long I came. Oh?
It's not long?
What happened to your head?
Ada? Is that it?
What?
Did you call me on the phone? Did you tell me that your mother is coming? So this is how your people now do. You people will just stand up. Mama? Ogo will just dress up and go to Ogo's place without informing the Ogo. No call from anybody.
No.
Is that proper? Is that not what they call barging into somebody's privacy?
Why are you reacting? This is my mother now.
Because we don't be offended, It's that I just came without informing you. I came to see how you and my daughter are doing. You know, it has been... You promised us that you're going to do wedding with my daughter. But up till now, you've not said anything concerning the date. Where am I to find out if all is well?
You just made a point here now about wedding. You say that.
About yes, wedding.
That's very good. Ada, did you hear you? Did you say it now? That if your mother is not a witch, your mother
is an Obiabo person.
Eh?
She has what they call Obiabo heart.
Ike.
Don't Ike me. No, don't Ike me. Because after this bandage that she saw on my head, yes, she's still talking about marriage. She's talking about wedding. Wedding in this bandage, and this bandage. Hey, my head is pounding. Eh? My head is pounding me. Aye.
You're being very mean to my mother.
Oh, is that what you people call it? To be mean that I said that your mother barged into my house without my knowledge and my consent. You call it mean. Ada, listen, let me tell you, don't think that you go school more than me. Don't think that you know all those English terms more than me. Can't your mother enter my house without my consent and you are telling me I'm being mean?
It is me.
No, you. It is you, Kibia Chakase Manya. It is you. Ada, please go upstairs and bring transport for your mother to go home. Eh? Let me not go up and come down and meet her here. Ogeneno, Osim Osim is who? Is who on ye?
It's my mother.
It's your mother. Then give me. It's your mother. Please, I don't want that. Let me have privacy in my marriage. Osim is your mother. Your mother will bank account on it. Your mother, did I blame her? I brought you out of poverty. I brought you out of Obiam. I brought you out of EECK. And you people are telling me it is me. Osim no so let me pass. Osim, this is your mother. Your mother will you. Your mother will bank account on it. Osim, this is your mother. No, where is my own mother?
This is his favorite chair. Butere makpam. Chinekele okoro na. Should I sit on the floor? Even though you are angry, I still want you to have a safe trip back to the village. And please come when you arrive.
I don't understand. Are you not going to drop me at the park?
No, I'm not. You go with public transport.
Makaginizi?
My husband will get angry if I drop you.
Your husband will get angry for going to drop your own mother. I mean, his mother-in-law. Adugo. Okurusialo.
Come on.
I don't even understand what these people are doing. Can't keep up with this nonsense. Eh? I have been trying to make transactions since, and the three of them is not going. Eh? And look at the message they are sending me that I should see them in their bank. Eh?
Your banks said you should come and see them.
That please report to the bank. Look at the same thing they sent here.
Then you should go, because this kind of thing happens when one's account is frozen.
Frozen? Mbao. Frozen kwa? Nobody will freeze my account now. Are they making money for me? It will be network or something, eh? Am I not supposed to use my money and collect my money through my phone? Eh? Get me the car key first. Let me know what these people are talking about. Maybe your own network inside. You're telling me closing. Closing who? Not this thing now. I wouldn't have gone out because I am having a headache. Eh? This thing, I will wait. Well, let me go and come. Eh?
I cannot forgive this. Mbano, I cannot. Let me die. Let me die if I forgive this. Hi.
Papa, they almost killed me if not for God. They almost died.
I went to Adugo's mother to ask if you were there. She said that Adugo has traveled overseas.
Papa, her in-law is still alive. They just sent Donna to prison for nothing.
Hi. Oh, let me come.
Papa, where are you going to?
So you are really behind this? You are really behind what is really happening? You went and tell them that I stole money from the company account, right?
Will you stop spitting on me?
You are very mad. No, you are mad. I have seen you don't have respect at all.
You will not come close to me.
Really?
If you come close to me, you won't like what I will do to you. I'm not joking.
Listen, Atolocha, let me tell you something. I am giving you from now till tomorrow. If nothing is done about this rubbish, what I will do to you will not like it. I have believed you for this one that you did. But you see, if you don't reverse what is really happening now, you will not like the way I will take a bounce on you. I will really bounce on you. Go and ask of me. You don't know me. Mua, you get money. You get go. The strength of money. You don't know me.
That is the thing you see the person.
In a kajambele, you're talking rubbish. Nonsense. In fact, what can you Yo, even if I don't know if you have, if I don't, I'm gonna again. Yo.
Where is my daughter, Mama Dugo? So this is what has been going on.
Mazi, what is it now? I don't know anything about your daughter.
So, your in-law has been alive. You and your crook of in-law deceived all of us. Now he has the guts to lock my daughter in a police cell. Nobody informed me, and I've been looking for her.
Mazi, I don't even know your daughter's whereabouts. Besides, I've had so much for just one day. Biko.
You will know. Yes, by the time I go out there and return here with the youths and set this whole house ablaze, you will know.
Mazi, you can't try it. You cannot try it. Onyekebo, what is it? Which youth? Mwaya now. Mwaya. Try yaya. If you try it, both you and those useless youths and your entire generation will rot in jail. Try it. Okay, you have not heard about my in-law. You have not heard. If you don't leave this place now, if you don't leave this place is a dangerous zone. What you're standing on is grave, oh. Be careful so that you'll not be the next victim. Yes! Nobody comes into here and goes scot-free. You don't come here and insult me in my own home.
Your compound is now a graveyard.
Yes.
All hopes on your in-law. You are crook of in-law. Don't worry. I'll go out there and come back. Let us see what that your crook of in-law can do. Let's see.
Let's see. Get out of this place. Is it because I allowed you to enter? Look, I'm going to tell my in-law now. I'm going to tell him to put police at this gate. Yes. Look at you. We should have been on the same level. You think we are in the same level? Look what the man's you. Hey. But how did they even know? Hey, why is all these things happening at the same time? Hey, Ego. You see that Ego? Ego, I should have killed that girl that day she came here. Should have killed her. Stupid girl. Hey. You two come in.
Mr. Donald, your name is on the list of those who has the presidential pardon. We just said it this morning. and see the principal to clear you.
Hi, Nna.
Eh?
I didn't know I would still be alive to witness your return.
Mama?
Mm.
What happened to your eyes?
It is a long story.
Long story, quoi.
But I am glad that you are back.
So you are back?
Hi.
You sold my land and squandered the money. And you are here talking rubbish. Where's the money?
Bia.
I want the money or this house will not contain the both of us.
Bia. I don't think the issue of the land is more important than the life of...
Hey, mama, don't tell me that rubbish. Yes! You must give me my money or I will send you out from my father's house so that you go and look for your real father.
Can you stop? Stop it!
My real father? Mama, what is he talking about? Is he not my father?
He is your father.
You cannot be my son. Mama, are you telling him not to mind me? Don't mind me, Abi. Everything I have just said here is truth. You will go and look for your real father. I am not your father.
Mama, what is he talking about?
You
are not my father.
He is your father. Don't mind him.
I cannot be a father to a useless man like you. You cannot be my son. Mbano. Mbano, I didn't mean me.
What is he talking about? He's not my father. He's not my biological father.
Donald, my daughter Machi died while giving birth to you. But before she died, she begged him to take care of you, which he promised to do so.
Hey! No wonder he's always acting violent towards me. Everything that concerns me, he doesn't ever care. No wonder. Hey! So where's my biological father?
Your mother refused to tell us the person responsible for her pregnancy.
Hey! Hey! Where will I go to now? Where will I run to?
You go nowhere.
Where will I run to, Mama?
You go nowhere.
Hey, no! Biko, don't shoot! I'm begging.
Hey!
Where's the money?
Biko!
Where's the money? Where's the money?
Biko!
Hey! My leg! Hey! My boom! My leg, I am finished. Hey! I am finished. Hey! My leg, Hey!
Donald!
Boss, my goodness, boss.
When did you come out from prison?
Boss, I just came out of prison.
Go get inside, get.
Boss, where are we going to from here?
No, let's go straight to my house. Yes, straight to my house. Have you called the police?
Yes, they are hanging on, sir.
Okay, so let's go. Donald.
Sir, I cannot do that to be honest. You have to take her to the hospital with the police reports.
You see, taking her to hospital, people will talk. Why not treat her here and I will pay you well?
It's not about the money. It's not about the money. That woman has lost a lot of blood. You didn't even tell me the injury was that bad. I cannot do it though. Take her to the hospital, please.
No, see, like I said, do it for me and I will pay you handsomely.
Sir, please, don't be angry. I thought it was a minor injury, but I cannot do it. I can't.
What is it?
I am finished. I am finished. Hey! What is going on?
What?
My account has been frozen. My account is frozen. I am finished.
How? How did you get...
Hey!
Did anybody use your account for illegal business? Because it is on such grounds that one's account gets frozen.
It will be on that ground that you don't ask me stupid question now. It will be on that same ground. Hey! What's doing this thing to me? Eh? They have pursued me from this side, they did not get me. They come from this side, they did not get me. Where is this one coming from, Keta? Who knows if it's from where I went to Mali? Eh? Or if he's... something is wrong somewhere. Somebody is doing me something. Who is this man and what does he want?
Donald. Yes, Donald.
I am asking... I am asking...
So he is alive? So this man is alive and I went to prison for a crime I did not commit? Adugo!
Yes.
Is this how you pay me for what I did for you?
No.
This is how you pay me?
It's a long story, Donald. It's a long story.
Okay, now why my friend, I asked a question. What do you want? Eh? What do you want? And I don't like shouting in these very premises because this place is, you see, it's a very quiet residential area. You know what? Understand? Eh?
So you are the chameleon. You are the ant under my easy chair, biting me slowly.
Brother, actually, I can explain. I can explain. You see,
you can explain, and you sent people to poison me when you discovered that your game was almost up. You sold my botany company. You sold my poultry farm and have the guts to live in my house.
This man is whom I assumed dead. This is the same man I went to prison for. I was charged for murder for this man, and he's alive.
Brother, young man, please, you need to calm down now. I never said I was dead. I didn't say that. That is a misconception from the police. I never said I was dead, though.
Adogo said you watch this man make me go to prison for something I did not do. Adogo.
I swear I did not know.
So this is how you pay me for all I did for you. Hey!
Donald, I did not know you went to prison. I didn't know at all. I did.
You are a liar! You are a terrible liar, you know!
I didn't know!
You know!
I swear with my life I didn't know! I didn't know!
Ego visited me once in prison. And she told me that Mama is aware.
My mother didn't tell me, I only just found out! I'm sorry.
Hey, I'm very sorry. If you look me in the eye and you lie. Hey!
I'm sorry. Forgive me. No, I'm sorry.
Go.
He was the devil that deceived me. I think he cast a spell on me.
Claudia.
Yes.
I'm sorry, like see, I said I will explain things. It is not really what it is. The picture these people are trying to paint against me is just to put confusion in our family.
Okay, if you can deny everything, what have you to say about the conspiracy with Anita?
Brother, you see that one? I have no hand in that. Yeah? I don't know what they have conspired to put problem in our family.
Officers! Officers!
Sonia, I do not know your problem between me and my uncle. You are trying to cause more confusion. Yeah? Uncle, I don't have a hand in it. I don't know what they are talking about. Only God knows that I don't have a hand in it.
Bloody liar. You promised you will give me money if I do it for you. You promised to take me to London or Canada, but you did nothing.
Wow. This whole thing is getting me confused right now. Because I don't know why people like flaming people up. This person now, who is this very person they have blocked now to add more pains? Eh? Because I don't know who they blocked now to come and lie against me again. Eh?
Liar! Lie no sumba. You want one side. If you give me side again, well, all go up and down. Eh? Linus.
Devil incarnate. Your sins have caught up with you. I told you. What is going on? What is going on here? Again? What is going on?
I am sorry. Eh? This is the devil's work. Yes.
Hey.
Please, find it. Forgive me, sir.
Please. Your intention was to have me killed and then take over my companies.
No.
Live in my house and spend my money.
How?
Your house?
Sorry. See, please.
I heard him say his house! Okay, so this is not your house.
See,
this is not your house and you tricked me into marrying you!
If I am you now, you will just hide your shame now and join me and beg my uncle. Can't you see that there is a situation here?
Hi!
Brother,
you tricked me and you said to shut up! Why would I shut up? God will punish you. God will punish you.
Brother, don't mind her, please. Forgive her SSS.
Take these people away right now.
I am talking to my uncle. You know, I say, officer, take on you. Shut up, your plan in this our family.
He cast a spell on me. He cast a spell on me just now that I saw you.
You can move to our
from my eyes.
Yes, very correct. But let me finish with my uncle. I am talking with him.
You will do that when you come to our session.
Let's go.
My uncle, I say move.
Officer, this is a family matter. Officer,
I say move.
Let's handle it the family way.
I say move.
Come on, give me my money.
Continue moving.
I say move. What is your problem now? Officer, listen. Move. When you come, uncle. I say okay. Uncle, one last explanation. Do you what I'm saying? Let me explain to him that it's my uncle. Honey, help me and talk to these people. Uncle, one last explanation, you will understand me. One last explanation, people.
Okay, I said leave! You just for a minute. Take your things. Just for a minute. I will not take his time. Let me go talk to him now. I said take your things and leave. Please. I don't know what do you promise? Now I don't want to add force. Leave this place this minute. Please, I'm begging you people. I'm begging. Okay, wait, I'll go. Take it.
Don't forget that life is give and take. Wherever you sow, you live to reap. Cause nothing lasts forever. Oh. So be careful.
I'm innocent, so fast. I'm innocent.
Pretending they are family, but inside they are evil.
I'm innocent.
What
I'm
a
innocent.
wicked world. The life is evil.
I'm innocent. I'm a good man. Move it.
Your mama will go. You're not really innocent. This life is evil. But one thing I know, one day everything will be made known. The storm is over, and the storm is over.
Oga, I no understand what you dey do. Why you dey behave like one die?
And what is this man doing here?
He say he get ulcer. I understand.
Ulcer from where? After killing your mother, you have started developing ulcer. Take him to the cell.
Oga, waka jo. See belle. They go.
Wicked man.
I will die there. Come on, waka. See belle. Come on, they go.
You don't want to die, but you had the mind to kill your own mother. Rubbish. And you, what are you doing here? Come on, join him.
Like a mother to you.
Mother who? You can't mother me, please. Please, join him. Don't allow me to touch you. I said join him.
Anti-police, you're like a daughter to me.
Oh my goodness, this woman is not hearing what. I said join him.
I'm sorry,
Rubbish.
Anti-police.
Mama Nuku. Mama Nuku.
What happened?
Grandma was shot. She was shot by her own son.
What?
He confessed to the police that he wanted to shoot you and mistakenly shot Mama. Mama is gone. He is gone.
What? No. 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 Mama is not gone. No. No. No.
It's okay.
Mama warned me. Hey! Mama warned me. Oh! Hey!
Donald.
Sir.
I have decided to adopt you as my own son.
I honestly don't know what to say, but thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
I'm now your father. Call me your father. I think I cannot have very good rest while you and Sonia manage the company for me.
Thank you, sir. I promise I will not disappoint you. I'll make you proud.
Yeah. You saved my life. I remember vividly that very day. I was determined to end everything. I didn't see any reason to be alive anymore.
But you did so much for me to stop me from drinking that poison. And today I leave. Thank you, son. Well, I did what I did for you because of the compassion I have for humanity. I mean, what I did for you, I could have done to any other person. I could have done it to my father. I mean, it was just from a place of compassion. Sorry. Show him around my compliments. Okay?
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. Right.
Congrats. Once
Thank you so
again.
much. Thank you, Father. I can't sound. For the first time in my entire life, someone called me Father. Go. Yeah.
Sorry. I'm very sorry.
What are you doing here? Adugo, why are you bent on playing this dramatic, emotional game on yourself? Why?
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, Donna. Please, forgive me. Forgive me so I can go and die peacefully. The pain I feel in my heart and the guilt, I can't live with it. That's what I mean. That's why I want you to forgive me, please. Please. Please.
You still have not answered my question yet. What are you doing here? And don't you think that you're wasting your time? Don't you think so?
It was the devil. The devil tricked me. The devil possessed my thoughts and my actions. I was not in control of myself anymore.
Blame the devil on everything. Blame the devil.
Son?
Good afternoon, sir.
Who is she and what does she want?
I don't think I have what she wants.
Okay, and your fiancé?
I honestly don't know what's keeping her. Babe! Babe!
I hope I didn't keep you waiting.
Of course he didn't keep me waiting, my love.
This way.
God will punish you. God will punish you. That is insane. Echo, you did this to me. You did this to me.
I'm ready to do anything to make you happy. I've come to realize that you are all I want, all around me. You are all I see, in and out. You are there for me. I do go more. I don't want. it's a love. Una forget a love. It's a love. Go see my heart is broken. Obi abawamo. Onyekamga kono. Who will I tell my story? Adamo, Adugomo, I did this for us, and you paid me with pains. I did this for us, you reward me with agony. Onyekamga kolo, Onyekamga gwan, ije love, una forget your love. Go say ade, go say ade. Forever, forever, we could be together, no matter the weather. Forever, forever, we could be together, no matter the weather. Okwa basi asa.